Hello, my name is Bronwyn Pappas-Byers, and today we are going to be talking about simulations and probability. A simulation is the use of a probability model to recreate a situation again and again so that the likelihood of various outcomes can be estimated. Basically, this means creating a scenario to test different outcomes. To create a simulation takes 4 simple steps. First, figure out what the possible outcomes are and their theoretical probabilities. 2. State any assumptions. This could be how many trials or how much information the person knows. 3. Describe a model. This is how are you going to test the information they gave you. And 4. State your complete trial, which is what are you going to do and what do you think the outcome will be. Basically 1, 2, and 3 all together. Now some of you may be wondering, what is theoretical probability? Well, theoretical probability actually has a relationship with another type of probability, called experimental. Now, let's talk about those. Theoretical probability is when you estimate the chances of something happening. And experimental probability is when you actually do the experiment. So, say I was going to flip a coin. The theoretical probability of me getting heads is 50% because there are 2 possible options and 1 desired option. So that's 1 over 2 or 50%. But my experimental probability is maybe I flipped the coin 10 times, I got 6 heads and 4 tails. So they are not exactly the same. They have different ways of getting your answer. Let's do a practice problem with this. Let's say Henrietta did not study for her math test and got stuck on a multiple choice problem that had 4 possible answers. So let's create a simulation. So if we start out with step 1, what are the possible outcomes and what are their theoretical probabilities? So there are 4 possible outcomes because you have 4 possible answers. But then you only want 1, so that's 1 over 4, which is 25%. So, second part is state any assumptions. So, we have to assume that she has no idea how to answer the problem. So, each answer is likely for her to choose. So, and we should also assume that she's only going to take this test once. So, there's only 1 trial. So, let's go on to step 3. Let's design a model. How about we use a spinner for this one because it's easy to divide up. So if I take a circle, here's a circle for you, and I divide it up into 4 sections, this will be our spinner. And each of these are at 90 degrees, so it's divided equally. And so only one of them is going to be the right one. Let's just assume that it's this one. I like this one. It's a nice one. So this is the right answer. So this is going to be our test. This is the theoretical probability of it. And we are assuming that she has no idea how to answer it. And that is our simulation altogether. Thank you very much for watching this video.